Hello children, welcome back to my class. As we are discussing fourth lesson, the monkey band textbook bits, let us continue the remaining bits. Page number is 45, C bit. Read this passage, underline the verbs in the simple present tense. I hope you have seen the video and you have understood simple present tense. Now you children, please give me the answers. Kajol, Kajal, Lives, leaves, on, farm, farm. Kajal lives on a farm. Here, leaves you have to underline. It is a simple present tense. Full stop. She, she has, has, a cat. She has a cat. Its name, name is Snowy, Snowy. Its name is Snowy. Snowy sleeps, 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 in a basket, that is inside, inside the house. Snowy sleeps, here sleeps you have to underline. Snowy sleeps in a basket, that is inside the house. Kajal carries, 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 Snowy, to the roof, 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 EVERY, every, DAY, day. Kajal carries Snowy to the roof every day. She looks, 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 you have to underline, looks at the ducks. She looks at the ducks. The ducks, 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 PLAY, play in the pond, POND, pond. The ducks play in the pond. SOMETIMES, sometimes. They walk, 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 slowly, 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 and sometimes they run fast, FAST, fast. Here walk and run you have to underline. Then every day Kajal brushes, BRUSHES, brushes Snowy's fur. Here brushes you have to underline. Then she also brushes her tail, TAIL, tail. Brushes you have to underline here children, okay. Then she gives, GIVES, gives her food and fresh water. Gives you have to underline here. Then she gives her food and fresh water, okay. Now take turns to say what people are doing in the classroom and outside the classroom. Use the simple present tense. Suppose you can say the things like Miss Sharma teaches. Here teaches is simple present tense. Whereas Shalini talks. Here talks is simple present tense. And so on. In this way you can use. Now let us see the vocabulary bit. Can you guess where these animals live? Choose your answers from the box. You have to select the answers from this box. First one, RABBIT, rabbit. I am a rabbit. LIVE, live in a dash. Where does rabbit live? Rabbit live in a burrow. Here is burrow. You have to write BURROW, burrow. Okay. Then the next one. I am a bee, BEE. I live in a dash. Where do bee lives? Bee lives in a hive, HIVE, hive. Third, ANT, ant. I am an ant. I live in an. Where do these ant lives? Yeah, ant hill, ANT hyphen HILL, hill, ant hill. Now fourth one, I am a horse, HORSE, horse. I live in a stable, STABLE, stable. Okay. Fifth one, I am a spider, SPIDER, spider. I live in a web, WEB, web. Now, speaking part. We can play music for you, chattered the monkeys. I cannot play any music for you, said Baloo. Now here you can see children, can and cannot we have used. When do we use can? Can is used to talk about the things that we are able to do. Which we can do? We have to use can. जो अपने से होता उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Can बोलते हैं, okay? We use cannot or can't to talk about things that we are not able to do. जो अपने से काम नहीं हो सकता उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Can't or cannot. Okay children, now dash you open the window for me please. Yeah, you can open this window. So you can ask, can you open the window for me please? In this way, okay? I can't carry so many bags. Yes, ये अपने से नहीं होता, right? You cannot carry many bags. So you have to use I can't carry so many bags, but I can carry some of them. Yes, you can carry only some. So you have to use can. Now I hope you have understood children. So now let us see. Work in pairs. Take turns to ask and answer these questions using can and cannot. Okay. Can you sing a song? You have to use yes I can or no I cannot. Yes, can you sing a song? Yes, you can. So just you can say the answer yes I can. Second, can you play a guitar? G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar? Yes, I can. If it is no, then you can write no, I cannot. It's your wish. Third, can you ride a horse? No, I cannot. Okay, C-A-N-N-O-T, not, I cannot. Okay, let us see the fourth one. Can you tie your shoelaces? S-H-O-E-L-A-C-E-S, shoelaces. Can you tie? Yes, I can. You can write. Fifth, can you blow a balloon? Yes, I can. Sixth, can you swim? S-W-I-M, swim. No, I can't or I cannot. Okay, children? Now, let us see the pronunciation part. You have to listen to me and repeat after me, okay? First one is play. Repeat after me, children. Play. P-L-A-Y, play. Play. Place. P-L-A-C-E, place. Place. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. It's not please, it's please. Please. Plane. P-L-A-N-E, plane. Plane. Very good children. Plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Plant. Plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Plum. Plan. P-L-A-N, plan. Plan. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Plate. Okay. Now Bibit, listen and repeat after me. A plum on a plate. Repeat after me children. A plum on a plate. Yeah, very good. Second, play with a toy plane. Play with a toy plane. Very good. Third, plan to plant a seed. Plan to plant a seed. Yes, very good. Fourth, please place the books there. Please place the books there. Please place the books there. Yes, superb. C-bit, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat after me, okay children? Hit, H-I-T, hit. Sit, sit. Drip, drip. Clip, clip. Bin, bin. Swim, swim, swim. Yes, very good, fantastic. Now D-bit, listen and repeat. First one, hit the drums. Come on children, same here. Hit the drums. Hit the drums. Yes, second one, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Third, clip on the bin. Clip on the bin. Fourth, swim in the water. Swim in the water. Yeah, well that's good. Pat yourself children. You have said it correctly. Okay. So the remaining bits will be in the next video. So till that time you can practice this pronunciation part. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.